Okay, John, we didn't even realize that I have an inside, right, air cabin filter, and it's never been replaced as far as we know since 2002.
No.
But you're going to do it today, right?
Yes, we're going to do it today. This is the part number.
Ah, that's OEM too, so let's get a close-up.
Yeah.
Okay. And again, this is for the 2002 Escape XLT.
And some of the cars are underneath the glove box, but this one is underneath here.
So we have to remove the cowl
You
just replaced only a little
same
while
part
ago.
yeah.
So I see you have your little blue pry bar and...
Yeah, just basic hand tools, couple
Okay.
of plastic stuff so I don't do damage.
So first thing is to take the
first thing-
cowl off, right?
Yeah,
Those push pins.
I'm going to start with these screws. You just kind of like
Loosen
push
them?
them up,
Okay.
and then you get them loose, and then you got to pry them up. So I loosen them all first. I kind of push on the bottom of them. They really act weird, you know. They kind of like yeah. See how like it comes up quick. So
And it's on the passenger side.
yes. What happens is the screw splits and creates like a, and then you can take these things out. You know, the screw like splits it.
Yeah.
So
Hey, you want me to hold them?
yeah. You should be very delicate with them because they can break like anything else. Just push them through. Same thing. This one's got a little looser. Alright, so we got all those. Next I'm going to just kind of like
Pry it up.
pry it up a little bit. Sometimes it's like a little bit of adhesive. We use plastic so it doesn't mar anything. So you go like that. Alright, now.
No. You want to, no. You want to pull from there? Yeah. There you go.
Alright, now the headache is these things. We can do this again. What are we doing?
Can you reach it without having to...
No. I'm just going underneath and just kind of.
Do you need me to pick up the wiper arm for you?
Yeah, we did take that off the last time.
No, I could just lift the wiper arm up for you, I think.
You know what I might be able to do? Just like this.
Okay.
Oh, there's leaves in there. Oh, it's pretty dirty too. I can see that already. Okay. Alright, so that's the piece that covers over it. Just put that here.
Okay, so we just put it on the ground. So this is the piece itself. Okay.
And you really want to laugh?
What?
You have no filter. For all these years, somebody left, unless the filter's in here. Nope, no filter.
That's weird.
Yeah, the filter's gone. So we're going to vacuum the box and put the new filter in and put the cover back on.
Who would have taken out my filter? No one's ever, that I know.
One never knows.
That's weird, unless they just never put one in.
One never knows. All I know is you have no filter. This is a good time to like get your vac, and then like we're gonna vacuum all the leaves, because what happens, that goes into the fan, it could do damage. All right, so the airflow this way, so we're gonna put it down like that.
Okay. hold this up?
It's almost like it's oversized. Interesting.
All right. It's not
Something
pretty.
haggling.
It's not pretty.
No.
It's a little longer than it needed to be, even though it's supposed to fit my car. But it's better than having nothing, right?
Yeah. I mean, it was to the point where you had no filtration whatsoever. And now what you have is you're going to have something there that's going to take the particles out of the air that help with the indoor air quality in your vehicle. So now it's a matter of putting this piece back. All right, so here we go.
Time to put
this back. So you basically
it back the way we found it.
Yeah.
Slide it in. Do you want me to hold this up for you? I'm going to hold this up and hold the camera at the same time.
Yeah, we're kind of cheating. We're probably supposed to take that off, but we're cheating. Somehow we're cheating. All right. That took some juggling. All right, as you can see.
Hopefully I have the camera angled right, since I'm holding the camera with one hand and the cowl with the other.
Alright, so...
Alright, I don't think you need me anymore, do you?
I don't know.
Let me make sure I got the camera angled properly.
Alright, so now it's on.
Okay.
Alright, so it's positioned. You're basically going to sit it here.
Yep.
Here. And that goes up here and
yep.
here. Alright, now it sits on top. Just to put pressure on it so it doesn't pop out.
Yep.
Now we just take these, we put the pins back.
Put the pins back.
So we kind of cheated because some people might want to get this out of the way, pop these pins, but I don't feel it's necessary. We were able to do it without popping those pins.
Okay.
So we saved some effort there. See how I'm squeezing them back again?
Mm-hmm.
Because it was a little too wide for it to fit them. Alright, see now, see I got it in the hole.
Yep.
And now we just, don't make them too tight, just kind of, that's all. Same thing, loosen up a little bit, squeeze them back. So excited now, we're gonna get nice fresh air from them.
I'll let you know if I actually feel any sort of difference.
You look at the, well, the big thing in New York that we're finding is as we're on the parkways these days,
the
people
air
are smoking
quality.
a lot of marijuana.
The air quality is just awful.
Maybe, hopefully, it'll take some of that odor out. Okay, there we go. That's it. All done. Nice and new. All right.
We're done?
Filter done.
Yay!